Introducing the rugged and refined Can-Am Defender Limited HD11, the ultimate side-by-side built for work, adventure, and all-day comfort. Available now at iMotorsports. Powered by a class-leading Rotax HD11 engine with 82 horsepower, the Defender Limited delivers serious performance. Its fully enclosed cab comes factory-equipped with heat and air conditioning, power windows, premium seating, and a waterproof sound system, giving you unmatched comfort in every season. The Defender Limited also features intelligent throttle control, selectable drive modes, dynamic power steering, and a smooth suspension setup that keeps the ride controlled and comfortable on rough terrain. With massive towing capability, versatile cargo space, and legendary Can-Am durability, this machine is ready for anything. If you're ready to elevate your off-road experience, check out the Can-Am Defender Limited HD11 today at iMotorsports. Adventure starts here.